Hello.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Good evening, Sir Eric.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes. Good morning here. And
yeah,
happy Friday.
yeah. Happy Friday. uh,
Yeah.
Today
Happy
I've
Friday.
started this video room programs uh,
Uh
from
huh.
the Chrome browser, but it
Uh huh.
didn't work. And the the website suggested downloading this video room programs again and again. I used
Oh,
it
really?
until yesterday, so I changed it to Explorer.
Browser.
So I took some time.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
So, what browser are you using right now?
Yeah. Mm.
What browser are you using now?
Uh, uh, Now I'm using Explorer, but yesterday I
Uh huh.
used the Chrome browser.
Uh huh. Google Chrome, and it was working perfectly yesterday. Was it working
Yeah,
perfectly?
I had used uh, I had been using Chrome browser until yesterday.
Until yesterday. But what was the time that you cannot see me, right?
Yeah, that's same. So it's kind of my my problem. Yeah, my computer setting
Uh,
problem. I guess like
so
that.
even now, yeah, so even now you cannot see me.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, well, don't worry there. At least we can still have classes. But I have one problem though. Last night I couldn't extract the files and send you the email. Since last night we had some problems with the electricity. We have power interruptions at
Mm-hmm.
home.
Yeah.
So I was already home. I was out of the office. I couldn't send it to you. Now,
Mm.
I was wondering if you have, did you send, because I couldn't check my emails here. Did you send your own questionnaires for self-assessment?
Yeah. Yeah. I sent it. Did you see
My,
that?
no, because I couldn't access my computer at home. I couldn't access
Uh.
the internet. The modem is connected.
Mm.
Even if I was using a laptop,
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't access the internet because the modem is
Mm-mm.
connected to the power surge. So,
Okay.
yeah,
I uploaded
yeah,
the
I couldn't open it.
teacher and student board a
Uh-huh.
file, but it just disappeared. Yeah,
Oh,
so
really?
yeah, can I upload it again?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Can you
Okay,
try?
I will, yeah, do
Mm-hmm.
that. Hmm. But it's very slow. Oh, okay.
Okay. Let me just student teacher board.
Wait a minute.
Okay, take your time.
Okay. Yeah. Now I posted the file.
Okay,
So,
let me see
yeah.
now. Refresh my page. Okay, all right. I think let me just open. Mhm. And where is the file? File document. Save. Okay, hold on, please. File document. Local disk D. Okay, where did you get this file, Sir Eric?
This I copied the sample questions from Selfie website. This is
Selfie's website.
paid sample test.
Aha, okay. Oh, so you're really doing your best. You have to pay for your your review.
But, uh,
Well, all right. So let's see what are the questions. But these questions you already tried. When you tried the sample test, what was your score? What was the feedback?
my score was 6, and the
16.
total score was highest score was 12, and my score was
Mm-hmm.
6. 6 scores is same as IELTS 5.5.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So, wow. We really need some catching up. And
So
okay, let me just scan. Okay. All right.
yeah,
So how about we practice from the start,
yeah, okay,
from task one?
okay. Mm.
Yeah, the sample.
Uh,
Um, practice task. Okay.
Second page, and a friend
Yes.
or would like to lose some
I would
weight.
like to.
That's
Okay.
first test.
No need for
Sentence.
preparation time because
Yeah.
you already finished this. So,
Mm,
okay, a friend will. Okay. How would you respond to this?
mm. Okay, start. Okay, I
Yes.
will start. Yeah. Uh, I would like to suggest to you to start learning. Learning is the basic exercise mm, to control your weight, and it's really good. If and then you can register gym. Gym is, and some coaches can teach you about how to use the gym facilities, and that could control your health and your weight. And also, you have to control your food. Mm, you should food more vegetables and less meat or something fried things and sugar. Uh, such such instant food and sugar can cause you more weight. So I think you should control exercise and your meals every day. And after 2 or 3 months later, you can get a wanted weight, and you can lose some weight.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Really, it was okay. However, what happened? First, you said I would I would like suggest you. I would like to suggest you. I would like to suggest to you to start running. You
uh,
missed, yeah,
you?
two. Yeah, I would like to suggest you.
Uh,
You said, yeah, okay, let me paste your sentence. Okay, here was your sentence. I would like to suggest you to start running. You can say, I would like to suggest, how can you rephrase this?
I'd like to suggest
To you,
suggest
to start running.
to you start learning.
Yes. Okay. Just minor, only those minor errors. Okay. You also said running is the basic exercise to control your weight.
Mhm.
Okay, acceptable. Is a basic. Wrong use of article.
Uh,
It should be is a, not is the. Is a basic is a basic exercise to control your weight. Okay. And another. Yeah, hold on.
did I say
Um,
did I say the basic?
yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And you can register gym. It's all basic. You're missing some of your, yeah, and you can register gym.
Or gym.
You can register to a gym. To a
Yeah.
gym.
Okay.
Okay. What else? And next, a gym. Next, you have to control your food. Well, grammatically, this is correct, but you're not suggesting it's like you're stopping. You have to watch out on your food
Mm.
intake. Yeah, you have to control. This is grammatically acceptable. You have to control your food, but it's better to say you have to watch out on your food intake. Is much better.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
next
have to watch
also
out
this,
on your food intake.
yeah, this was the
Actually.
funniest. You said the last part after you mentioned that you said you should food more on fruits and vegetables. You should
Uh,
food more.
you should eat more vegetables. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, those are unconscious mistakes, right?
Okay.
Very. You should. But you can also say you should feed more, but you should eat more is more acceptable. This was your sentence, so that's
Mm.
why I started smiling. You should food more on fruits and vegetables and
Um,
fried something. You said, yeah, those are unconscious mistakes, but very simple ones. Yeah. How
okay.
about you try for this week? I would suggest try to digest what you are about to say and try to speak slowly. Speak a little bit slower than usual.
Speak slowly.
Yes. At least practice speaking slowly. It might make a difference if you would be digesting what you're about to say before, yeah, expressing it out. Earlier, you tried to speak very fast.
Hmm.
That's why sometimes unconsciously you use the same word on your next sentences the wrong way. Like you should watch out. I mean, you should control your food. You should food more on fruits and vegetables.
Hmm.
So you carried the first word on your sentence to the, yeah. So try to speak a little bit slower and record. Record and see
Hmm.
if you make a lot of mistakes.
Yeah.
Listen to it. If you did not notice a lot of mistakes, then most probably your problem is that you do not think, you do not compose your messages. I mean your sentences ahead of time while you're saying it. It's just like randomly coming out of your mouth
Yeah.
without even thinking of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
So, yeah, try that. Try to practice that and this weekend. Okay. I
Is
would
it
also
okay if
suggest
I speak
so
slowly, more slowly? Can I get enough score?
as
Or
long as your words and your sentences are, it doesn't matter actually about how fast or how many words you say.
oh,
What
really?
matters is
Yeah.
that, yes, you pronounce the words clearly, your grammars are okay, and you make sensible sentences.
hmm Okay.
Yeah. If you even if you speak a little bit fast, you're really chasing the time. If your
Yeah.
answer doesn't make any sense, and if your grammar is, yeah, if your grammar is if you have a lot of grammatical errors and especially pronunciation also F sound. I noticed F sound earlier. It would affect much of your score. So first, organize your thoughts. Okay, the first
Yeah.
thought is exercising, running. Second was
Okay.
food intake, registering to a gym. You went back to registering to a gym. So, yeah, try to organize it first, give examples, and use things or examples that are easier to explain. Elda, you did that here, you did that
Yeah.
here, but I was wondering, you committed a lot of minor mistakes this time. Yeah.
Okay.
So please be careful with that. Try to practice more. Like, for example, if I was supposed to answer this, I would say, well, I would suggest that you start exercising. There are many ways of exercising. Like, for example, running, walking around. It doesn't take much of your time if you walk instead of driving a car. Sometimes we
Mm.
can also move inside the house, like stretching or doing simple household chores that could help you burn your calories.
Bring
One
your
way of
calories.
losing weight, burning or losing,
Burning.
burning,
Yeah.
burning,
Okay.
burning your calories, sorry, losing. Okay, another way is also to control or to watch out of the food of your food intake. Like for example, you have to watch out and lessen your carbohydrates.
hmm
Focus more on blah blah. Yeah, you can focus more on fruits and rehydration drinks that would keep you that would give you energy even if you do not eat too much carbohydrates. Or yeah,
Oh.
you suggest, yes. So
Yeah.
try, if you're not familiar with those, you can just say there are many kinds of fruits that are in season. Example, apples, bananas. Yeah, it's also good to eat to lessen meat and other oily or greasy food.
Yeah.
hmm So give more examples. Yeah. And try again. Try to speak a little. It was too fast. If you would listen to the recording of this class, it was totally a little bit too fast. Like before, the first time.
hmm
Remember when we had the first question before the task one? You also spoke very fast. So try to make sensible sentences as long as you pronounce the
Mm.
words clearly, enunciate. Accent is also very important.
Yeah.
Your
Excellent.
accent is very important. Yes.
Yeah.
So enunciate the words and yeah. Because even if you say a lot of sentences, if the machine wouldn't, the machine is very sensible. It's very insensitive. I mean, so even if you say a lot of words, you try to speak very fast. If your sentences are jumbled, it wouldn't
Okay.
count.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I would like to see the difference because we already tackled examples last week. I hope to see the difference next week. If there's any difference,
hmm
yeah, yeah, on task two.
Yeah.
However, we might review again task one before we proceed to task two tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope you have a lot of free time this weekend. Do you?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Free
Yeah.
time? Yeah. Not studying?
Yes. Yeah, free time. I mean, free time for you to focus on studying.
Okay.
I hope you're not busy this weekend so that you could really focus on studying. Always, please record. And
Okay.
if you could send me the recording, if
Yeah.
you could send me the recording, it would be even better. So I can review it.
Mm,
Yeah, at
okay.
home. I cannot do it here in the office, but I can at home.
Yeah. Okay. Do I have to upload that into the teacher and student bulletin board or writing?
Which one? The recording? Recording?
Yeah.
The recording you're asking me
No, no,
about?
no. After dictate my recordings, and
Mm-hmm. No,
where can I?
no need.
No need
If you want
to.
to, yeah. If you
Yeah.
want to, you can. But if you, yeah, I would
It's
rather
not necessary,
want you
right?
to. Yeah, right now I would not want you to waste your time focusing on transcribing. I want you to focus on answering and recording your answers. Your exam is already coming up, so transcribing will not. It's just listening and typing fast and analyzing the sentences. I want you to focus first on your listening and checking what are your mistakes.
Hmm.
You know. Yeah, so you don't need to, but the recording of I mean, when you practice and you record, if you
Hmm.
have time, you can send it to my email so that I can
Okay.
check it at home. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyway, Sir Eric, I have to go now. You're
Okay.
always
Yeah, I
welcome,
know.
sir. I
Yeah.
hope I can do so.
Okay.
Anyway, have a great weekend
Yeah,
and
you
good night.
too. Have a great
Thank
weekend.
you.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.